Good morning, students. After the completion of theory part for the chapter nitrogen containing compound, that is amine and benzene diazenyl chloride, already covered in previous class, that is identification of unknown word aliphatic and aromatic. So today we discuss another segment, that means make a conversion or how you convert. It is again two part, one for aliphatic, one for aromatic. Today we discuss aliphatic part. Let us solve one by one. Mark that. First is acetic acid to ethyl methyl ether. Mark that. Acetic acid CH3COOH. Acetic acid to ethyl methyl amine means 2-degree amine. So first we transfer to 1-degree amine, then reacts with alkyl halide to form 2-degree amine. Mark that. Acetic acid heated with ammonia to form acetamide. Acetamide, when undergoes reduction in presence of LiAlH4, it will form ethylamine CH3CH2NH2. Ethylamine reacts with methyl bromide, then 1H 1Br minus HBr to form CH3CH2NH CH3. That is, it is ethyl, it is methyl methyl amine, or it is a 2-degree amine. So in this way, acetic acid transfer to ethyl methyl amine. Mark the next question. Mark that. What is the next question? Next question is methyl bromide to ethyl alcohol. In methyl bromide 1 carbon, ethyl alcohol 2 carbon. That means it is a step of reaction. During this reaction, we have to insert 1 carbon atom. So mark that. What happens? Methyl bromide reacts with potassium cyanide to form methyl cyanide. Methyl cyanide undergoes reduction in LiAlH4 or sodium/ethyl alcohol to form ethylamine. Ethylamine, when reacts with a nitrous acid, then what is the form? Ethyl alcohol. So in this way, methyl bromide transfer to ethyl alcohol. Mark the next question. What is the next question? Next question is acetic acid to methyl isocyanide. Acetic acid to methyl isocyanide or methyl carbylamine. So mark that. Acetic acid reacts with hydrazoic acid in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. When acid, it is known as a skimmed reaction. When acetic acid heated with hydrazoic acid in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, methyl amine is formed. When methyl amine respond to carbylamine reaction, that means methyl amine reacts with chloroform in presence of aqueous chloroform and alcoholic potash. When methyl amine heated with chloroform in presence of alcoholic potash, then methyl isocyanide, very unpleasant smelling compound, bad smell is there, that is methyl isocyanide or methyl carbylamine is formed. So in this way, acetic acid transfer to methyl isocyanide. Mark the next question. What is the next question? Methyl chloride to ethyl carbylamine. Methyl chloride to ethyl carbylamine or ethyl isocyanide. So mark that. What happened? It is potassium cyanide KCl to form methyl cyanide. Methyl cyanide undergoes reduction in presence of lithium aluminum hydride or sodium/ethyl alcohol to form ethylamine. When ethylamine respond to carbylamine reaction, that means reacts with chloroform in presence of alcoholic potash. When ethylamine heated with chloroform in presence of alcoholic potash, unpleasant smelling compound is formed, that is CH3CH2NC, ethyl carbylamine or ethyl isocyanide. So in this way, methyl chloride transfer to ethyl isocyanide. Mark the next question. What is the next question? Methyl alcohol to ethylamine and vice versa. Methyl alcohol to ethylamine and ethylamine to methyl alcohol. So first is methyl alcohol to ethylamine. Methyl alcohol to ethylamine. It is also a step of reaction or ascending series. During this we have to insert one carbon atom. It is possible either by Wood's reaction or by inserting cyanide or by adding Grignard reagent. So mark that. Methyl alcohol PCl5 to form methyl chloride, potassium cyanide KCl to form methyl cyanide. On methyl cyanide undergoes reduction in presence of LiAlH4 to form CH3CH2NH2. So in this way, methyl alcohol transfer to ethylamine. Now, ethylamine transfer to methyl alcohol. Mark that, how it is. Methyl alcohol to ethylamine. Now, ethylamine to methyl alcohol. Ethylamine, that is CH3CH2NH2. 2 carbon atom is there. So in ethylamine transfer to methyl alcohol, that is 1 carbon. So we have to go through a step down or descending series. In this case, either we go through Dumas method, decarboxylation method, or by Hofmann bromamide reaction. Mark that. Reacts with a nitrous acid to form ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol, or you may go through in shortage there. Ethylamine reacts with the Grignard reagent CH3MgBr. We know that when amine reacts with the Grignard reagent, then alkane is formed. That is alkyl part of Grignard reagent, and H to form alkane. That is the CH4. Chlorination in presence of sunlight, CH3Cl, then KOH aqua, then CH3OH. So in this way, methyl alcohol to ethylamine and ethylamine to methyl alcohol. Mark the next question. What is the next question? Acetic acid to ethylamine. Acetic acid to ethylamine and vice versa. Means acetic acid to ethylamine, ethylamine to acetic acid. So first we solve acetic acid to ethylamine. Acetic acid, when heated with ammonia to form acetamide, undergoes reduction in LiAlH4 lithium aluminum hydride. So here 2H to form CH3CH2NH2 byproduct H2O. Here 2H, here 2H. So in this way, acetic acid CH3COOH, acetic acid transfer to ethylamine. Now ethylamine transfer to acetic acid. Mark that. CH3, CH2, NH2 reacts with nitrous acid to form ethyl alcohol. When ethyl alcohol undergoes oxidation in presence of acidified potassium dichromate, it forms acetic acid. So in this way, acetic acid transfer to ethylamine and ethylamine transfer to acetic acid. Move to next question. Mark that. What is the next question? Mark that. What is the next question? Next question is ethyl alcohol to methylamine. Ethyl alcohol to methylamine and vice versa. So first ethyl alcohol to methylamine. Next methylamine to ethyl alcohol. First is ethyl alcohol to methylamine. Ethyl alcohol on oxidation, that is in presence of acidified potassium dichromate, it forms acetic acid. Acetic acid reacts with hydrazoic acid in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. When acetic acid heated with hydrazoic acid in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, methylamine is formed. Methylamine is formed. So in this case, ethyl alcohol transfer to methylamine. Now methylamine to ethyl alcohol. So mark that. Methylamine reacts with the nitrous acid to form methyl alcohol. Methyl alcohol undergoes oxidation. Methyl alcohol reacts with copper in presence of 300 degrees Celsius, undergoes dehydrogenation to form formaldehyde. Formaldehyde, when reacts with methyl magnesium bromide, followed by hydrolysis in acid medium to form ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol on oxidation in presence of K2Cr2O7/H plus to form. So now ethyl alcohol to methylamine and methylamine to ethyl alcohol. Methylamine transfer to methyl alcohol to formaldehyde. Formaldehyde reacts with the Grignard reagent followed by hydrolysis to form ethyl alcohol. Move to next question. What is the next question? Ethylamine to ethyl acetate and vice versa. Ethylamine to ethyl acetate to ethylamine. First is ethylamine CH3, CH2, NH2 reacts with nitrous acid HNO2 to form ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol on oxidation in presence of acidified potassium dichromate to form acetic acid. Acetic acid reacts with ethyl alcohol in presence of a mineral acid. We know acid combines with alcohol in presence of mineral acid to form ester. Product is CH3COO C2H5. That is ethylamine transfer to ethyl acetate. Now ethyl acetate transfer to ethylamine. Mark that. Ethyl acetate CH3COO C2H5 undergoes hydrolysis in acid medium or simple hydrolysis to form acetic acid CH3COOH. Acetic acid heated with ammonia to form acetamide CH3CONH2. Acetamide, when undergoes reduction in presence of LiAlH4 to form CH3CH2NH2. So in this way, ethylamine transfer to ethyl acetate, and ethyl acetate transfer to ethylamine. Mark the next question. What is the next question? Ethanoic acid to methanamine, ethanoic acid to methanamine, and vice versa. So first is ethanoic acid, that is acetic acid to methylamine. Acetic acid to methylamine. Either it is carried out in direct step, heated with hydrozoic acid in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid to form methylamine, or acetic acid heated with ammonia to form acetamide. Acetamide undergoes Hofmann bromamide reaction or Hofmann degradation reaction, that is reacts with bromine in presence of aqueous alkali to form methylamine. Now acetic acid to methylamine. Next, methylamine to acetic acid. Mark that. Now methylamine to acetic acid. Methylamine reacts with hydrozoic acid, reacts with nitrous acid. Methylamine reacts with nitrous acid to form methyl alcohol. Methyl alcohol treated with copper in presence of 300 degrees Celsius to form formaldehyde. Formaldehyde either reacts with Grignard and methyl magnesium bromide followed by hydrolysis in presence of mineral acid to form methyl alcohol, to form ethyl alcohol, that is CH3 CH2OH. Ethyl alcohol on oxidation to form acetic acid. So methylamine to acetic acid. So one can solve in this way, or also another way is there. Ethylamine transfer to methyl alcohol. Next, methyl alcohol reacts with, another step is there. That is another different way is that methylamine reacts with nitrous acid to form methyl alcohol. Methyl alcohol reacts with PCl5 to form methyl chloride. Methyl chloride treated with potassium cyanide to form methyl cyanide. Methyl cyanide undergoes hydrolysis in acid medium to form acetic acid. That means the conversion, that means different way are there, 2 to 3 different way are there. No restriction to follow one step. One can go through any different way to make a conversion. So in this way, acetic acid to methylamine or ethanoic acid to methanamine and methanamine to acetic acid. Mark the next question. What is the next one? Next one is methylamine to ethylamine and vice versa. It is very, very important for council exam point of view. What is? First is methylamine to ethylamine, step up, then ethylamine to methylamine, step down. So first is methylamine to ethylamine. Methylamine, nitrous acid to form methyl alcohol, PCl5 to form methyl cyanide, reduction sodium/ethyl alcohol form ethylamine CH3 CH2 NH2. So in this way methylamine transfer to ethylamine. Now ethylamine transfer to methylamine. CH3 CH2 NH2 reacts with the Grignard reagent methyl magnesium bromide to form alkane, that is methane. Methane reacts with chlorine, undergoes chlorination in present sunlight to form methyl chloride. Methyl chloride heated with ammonia to form methyl amine. So in this way, methylamine transport to methylamine transport to ethylamine, and ethylamine transport to methylamine. Mark the next question. What is the next question? Next is ethyl bromide to tetraethyl ammonium bromide. Tetraethyl ammonium bromide means a quaternary ammonium salt. Mark that. First is ethyl bromide C2H5Br combines with ammonia to form ethylamine C2H5NH2. Primary amine again combined with ethyl bromide CH3CH2Br. What happened? 1H 1Br minus HBr to form diethylamine. Dimethylamine again combined with another molecule of ethyl bromide to form triethylamine. Triethylamine again combines with another molecule of ethyl bromide. So it is first is 1-digramine, 2-digramine, 3-digramine again form another molecule of alkyl halide to form quaternary ammonium salt, that is C2H5 whole 4 N plus Br minus, that is tetraethyl ammonium bromide. So in this way, ethyl bromide transfer to a quaternary ammonium salt, that is tetraethyl ammonium bromide. Mark that next equation. What is the next question? Next question is propene to N-butylamine. Propene to N-butylamine. Mark that. CH3CH double bond CH2 propene reacts with hydrogen bromide in presence of organic peroxide. Reacts with hydrogen bromide in presence of organic peroxide, as it is unsymmetrical alcohol. Reacts with halo acid in presence of organic peroxide, that is anti-Markovnikov's rule. That means we know what is Markovnikov's rule and what is anti-Markovnikov's rule, that is peroxide effect. That is the negative part of the halo acid goes to that carbon atom which contain more number of carbon atom. So H moves to here. What is the product? CH3, CH2, CH2, Br. Propyl bromide is there. This propyl bromide reacts with potassium cyanide to form CH3, CH2, CH2, Cn. Propyl cyanide. Cyanide when respond to reduction in presence of lithium aluminum hydride to form CH3, CH2, 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 NH2. This one in lithium aluminum hydride. So in this way, propene transfer to N-butylamine. N stands for normal or straight chain. N-butylamine. Move to next question. Mark that. What is the next question? Next question is acetone to isopropylamine. Acetone to isopropylamine. Mark that. Acetone undergoes reduction in LiAlH4 to form isopropyl alcohol. When isopropyl alcohol heated with ammonia, 1H, OH, 1H remove. What is the form? CH3, CH3, CH, NH2. Here 1H remove as water to form isopropylamine. So acetone transfer to isopropylamine. Move to next question. Mark that. What is the next question? Nitroethane to ethyl methylamine. Nitromethane to ethyl methylamine, 2 degree amine. Mark that. CH3 CH2 NO2, that is reduction in presence of SN/HCl to form CH3 CH2 NH2. Ethylamine reacts with alkyl halide minus HBr to form C2H5 NHCH3. That is, it is known as ethyl, it is methylamine. So in this way, nitroethane transfer to ethyl methylamine or 2 degree amine. Mark the next question. What is the next question? Methylamine to ethane. Methylamine to ethane. Mark that. Methylamine reacts with the Grignard reagent. Already we covered. That means when amine, primary amine or secondary amine reacts with the Grignard reagent, alkane is formed. That means alkyl group of Grignard reagent, H of amine to form alkane. So it is alkyl group CH3, 1H to form CH4. Cl2/H, that is methyl chloride. When methyl chloride heated with the sodium metal in presence of dry ether, that is known as Woods reaction. What is Woods reaction? 2 molecules of alkyl halide heated with the sodium metal in presence of dry ether. Alkane is formed having 1 carbon atom more. So it is ethane. In this way, methylamine transfer to ethane. Next, methylamine transfer to methane. Next one is methylamine transfer to methane. Mark that. So in this way also, methylamine transfer to methane. Any other method also there. So it is the sweetest one. One thing important thing we have to remember that while going through conversion, we have to select that method which is the shortest method, that is better. So in this way, methylamine to methane. Next question. Ethylamine to methane. Next question is ethylamine to methane. Mark that. CH3, CH2, NH2. Same thing is there, that is methyl magnesium bromide. This group to form CH4. In this way, ethylamine to methane. Next question, ethylamine to ethane. Ethylamine to ethane. Mark that. CH3, CH2, NH2. Same method is there to form methyl magnesium bromide to form methane. Chlorination in presence of sunlight. Methyl chloride reacts with sodium metal in presence of dry ether to form ethane. In this way, ethylamine to ethane. Another method also there. If we go through another method, that is ethylamine reacts with nitrous acid to form ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol on oxidation. Ethyl alcohol on oxidation in presence of K2Cr2O7/H+ to form acetic acid. Acetic acid reacts with sodium hydroxide to form sodium acetate. When the sodium acetate undergoes Coles electrolysis to form ethane. So in this way, ethylamine to ethane. Mark the next question. What is the next question? Methyl bromide to ethylene. Methyl bromide to ethylene. Mark that. Reacts with potassium cyanide to form methyl cyanide. Methyl cyanide undergoes the reduction sodium slash ethyl alcohol to form ethylamine. Ethylamine reacts with the nitrous acid to form ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol heated with concentrated sulfuric acid. So we know concentrated sulfuric acid known as a dehydrating agent remove a molecule of water to form ethylene. In this way, methyl bromide to ethylene. Mark the last one. Methyl bromide to acetylene. Methyl bromide to acetylene. So mark that. In this step, we switch over to methyl bromide to ethylene. Mark that. I repeat that same one is there. So methyl bromide as above. We move ethylene, reacts with bromine, it form 1,2-dibromoethane. When 1,2-dibromoethane heated with alcoholic potash, when haloalkane, dihaloalkane heated with alcoholic potash undergoes a dehydrohalogenation. Hydrogen remove, halogen remove. 2K combined with 2Br, so 2KBr. 2OH combined with 2H, 2H2O to form acetylene. So in this way, methyl bromide transfer to acetylene. It is a little idea about the conversion, aliphatic conversion for the chapter amine. Next class we discuss about the conversion of aromatic amine.